All right, guys. So what I'm going to do here is we're just going to pour some water in. So the water goes right in this slot. And as you can see over the top of it, or maybe you can't see, but after I pour it in, you'll be able to see. We'll stop there for now. That's good. Good to get started. But you can see there's a max spot there, so you'll be able to see when the water's hitting that spot, and you just never fill it up over that. So then we'll put this cap that goes right over where the water goes. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to hit on. So now we've got the light going, and you can see that. If you can kind of see how that works under there. So this thing's very cool because as we're getting started here, we can actually put it all the way down here. And if you're growing into very large plants, this thing can really come up very high if you have some stuff coming up. So it's going to be very cool long term. But what we're going to do here, because we're just getting started, we're just going to run it on germ mode. And you can run the pump if you want, but this is super easy to use. Basically, we're just going to run germ mode, and it's just going to start going, and it runs automatic. The seeds are going to start to grow. You're going to get to watch it all happen. The lights are going to turn off and turn back on by themselves to give the plants the amount of light they need and the amount of water they need. There's a pump in this system that's going to cycle the water around. This is a very cool unit. We've already grown some plants in the past ourselves, and we're excited to do it again.